got the glue on down there. I'm trying to be very careful because I've never opened a laptop screen before, much less this laptop screen. Alright. Now, inside this bezel, there's a wire running on this side over here to all the LEDs. Oh, no. It's running to the microphone on the far side. I really don't want to mess with that, so I'm just going to let this down nice and easy. Really doesn't want to lie down without stretching anything, so. But the wire does have a little give on it because it's used to being pulled on as you rotate. I'd really rather not pull it out, but I don't see much of an option. Well, for the meantime, I'll just kind of hold it and hope that my hand's not that it's not in the way too much. Here is what the screen looks like. As you'll notice, single hinge down there. And this here is the backlight inverter. This is what's responsible for making your screen show up with the colors. In many laptops, for power-saving purposes, you're able to tone it up or down. If you ever have a problem where your laptop screen just plain goes dark, it's probably because you've got a problem with this laptop inverter. However, the big thing you can tell whether or not the video is completely cut off to the screen or if it's just the backlight inverter is if you hold it under bright light and you can see just the faint outline of whatever it is that you are working on. You can see the faint outline of the windows. In some cases, maybe you can even see the faint outline of whatever video you were watching. So, anywho, this part for this particular laptop, I'm pretty sure that this is not going bad because the symptoms would be a lot less when I rotate the computer and a lot more all the time. So if it turns out to be this and it's just on its way out and my turning it's just aggravating it, then I can buy a new one for $30-40 and you can install it yourself. Now I'm going to get a bit more in depth with this thing, or in depth, whatever. I really don't want to take the whole thing off. As you can see, there's this black stuff right here. Maybe you can't. Let me zoom in on that. Oh, of course, I'm recording. How can I zoom in? Right here along the edges of the screen, there's this black stuff. It's still tacky, and it goes all the way around. I imagine that its purpose is to provide a good seal with the bezel that I've already taken off, and to help prevent dirt and dust getting back in here into the components. Now, if we wanted to see the LED screen itself, I'd have to pry off this screen, but I really don't want to, and I'm not going to. So my suspicion is that these cords here, and here, they run down through this hinge. All of these do. But I've got no problem with these buttons or LEDs. They work just fine. So it's definitely not a problem with this. These two are the ones that go to inverter, and this is the video. If you look closely, which I'll bring you a little closer. If you look closely at this, wait, let's give it time to focus. Come on, come on. Okay, it really just doesn't want to focus that close. Okay, this piece right here, it's a little crooked in its setting. Now I'm going to reset it, and then I'm going to do the same with these. I suspect that these here and here are also set a little off. So I'll try resetting them, and then we'll see how that goes.